principle fulfilled should be based on self-identified gender identity people. This approach, which adopted a law that was based on have a right to request a gender marker in the meantime since 2014 in Malta and in Ireland in 2000, Macedonia